different ways of representing things being anti to each other. Another reminder. This is like a little bit of organic one review too, right? So let's say we had terminal acetylide, in case you thought you could forget about this. The terminal acetylide is also a strong anion, which would attack the less substituted side. So we have our O from the pump side ended up here. So we make that kind of species, right? But then we can do with that everything else that we would do with an alkyne, right? In case you were thinking of forgetting those. So we could treat this with hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Which would do what? Say that again? So we could probably draw something like that. What else could we do with this?
Come on, guys. Something cooler. Thank you.
I like the sound of that.
We love a tautomerization.
What else? What else do I need to put in with this?
It's my favorite molecule.
NaOH and what?
HCO2.
Do we have anything there to tell us what's going to happen where?
Yeah.
It's an internal alkyne, right? Alkynes typically, by necessity, only have one carbon attached to each end of the double bond. So, so the only difference here regionally would have been if this were a hydrogen. But these two carbons actually feel, each of them is attached to another carbon. So you probably get a mixture of products here. Okay? Because you could get the OH ending up on either that side or that side. So we might get that plus that. Because we could make two different enols that would tautomerize to give us these two different products. And so this is the kind of question that might be something like, okay, here are the two products A and B. Maybe you get a little more A. Here's the NMR and IR spectra of A and B. Use the spectra data to tell me which one is which. So this one, for example, should have a characteristic ethyl triplet quartet pattern with, what would this signal give? Wait, CH, that must be CH.
It is.
So that would give the ethyl group triplet quartet with this H2 would give which signal, the triplet or the quartet? Okay, and where would you expect that quartet to be in the spectral window? At around what value?
What the table says.
What does the table say? All right, but you get the idea, right? How would I go from this to that?
HGS.
Oh, it's not.
We did this
Was it
yesterday. I'm in salt.
Excuse me.
For alkynes, you usually say
Do we have-
ozone.
Good evening.
But I did. That's when you security guards on the stairs.
I used to come 8 for 8 months.